बात नहीं, ठीक है। फिर मैं ये छोटे वाले चलो मैं इससे शुरू करती हूँ। हम आज राइम्स गाएंगे और अगर टाइम हुआ तो एक छोटी सी फोनिक स्टोरी लूंगी मैं, ठीक है। चलो, अरे मुझे तो कई लोग तो दिख रहे हैं कि प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे, मुझे लग रहा है कैमरा ऑन करेंगे। आप मुझे देख सकते हो, दैट्स वेरी गुड। यू नो व्हाट it is
Ma'am,
said,
can you able to see me first?
I am not able to see you because I'm sharing my screen at the moment, but not to worry. If you if you got your camera on, then good for you. ठीक है, sir, can you should I start the session या आप चाहेंगे कि
yes ma'am, yes ma'am, you can start.
Yes ma'am. Thank you, thank you. Let me see you put on a smile. Who is smiling? Let me see who is smiling. Smile, smile, and smile a lot, because they say that to smile is free. It's free for kings and it's free for the whole world. So smile. और ये भी कहते हैं that to have a smile is the best piece of jewelry. तो जब हम मुस्कुराते हैं तो जो हमें देखता है वो मुस्कुराता है, जो उन्हें देखता है वो मुस्कुराता है, एंड इट बिकम्स लाइक अ कंटेजियस चेन। और क्यों ना हम सब एक दूसरे को स्माइल करें, एक दूसरे को प्यार बांटें। You want to hear me sing? चलो हम गाते हैं, because to sing is also something fun. It makes us happy. It makes us relieved. We learn a lot. You know, sometimes vocabulary, sometimes music. तो पहली बार आप मुझे सुनिएगा और एक्शंस करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा, और अगली बार the second time that we do sing, I would love for you to join in. कोशिश करोगे प्यारे बच्चों? कोशिश करोगे? You can nod your head. All right, let me see.
Yes ma'am.
Look at your smiles. You have $1,000,000 smile. You have a sunshine smile. Hear me out. Have you got a sunshine smile? 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 Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Hey, have you got a sunshine smile? Hey, have you got a sunshine smile? Hey, have you got a sunshine smile? Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Yay! Aha! Thank you. Good evening, darling. Thank you for being such a good listener. अब कौन कोशिश करेगा गाने की? आप करोगे? आप करोगे? Yes, हम सब करते हैं. Can we all try? All right? So, ma'am, if everybody can be unmuted, which I know many are, क्या हम सब कोशिश करें गाने की? अच्छा, आप words देख पाते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, students, please unmute yourself and coordinate with ma'am. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, I know how I sound. I don't want to hear myself. I want to hear you and you and you and you. So you try and sing along, okay? धीरे धीरे करेंगे तो देखते हैं कि कितने लोग एक छोटा सा fun song याद कर पाते हैं. Good evening, darling. कोशिश करें. क्या नाम है इस song का? क्या नाम है? Have you got a sunshine smile? क्या नाम है?
Have you got a sunshine smile?
Awesome.
Have you got a sunshine?
चलो हम at the count of 3 हम कोशिश करते हैं एक साथ गाने की, ठीक है? हम सब एक साथ गाते हैं, ठीक है? कोशिश करें. चलो. Have you got a sunshine smile? 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 Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smiley? Hey, have you got a sunshine? S-M-I-L-E. Hey, have you got a sunshine? S-M-I-L-E. Hey, have you got a sunshine? S-M-I-L-E. Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? ये बहुत अच्छा, आपने तो बहुत अच्छा गाया, कितना अच्छा गाया ये आपने। हाँ जी बेटा,
मैं नहीं गा पाई।
कोई बात नहीं, हम फिर से कोशिश करते हैं। पता, कभी कोशिश करते हैं कि हम ये ना कहें कि मैं नहीं कर पाई, कहो कि मैं कर पाऊंगी, क्योंकि आप सब कर पाओगे, है ना बेटा। अगर आप बोलो कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी तो शायद ना कर पाओ।
मैम,
हाँ जी बेटा।
मैम,
यस बेटा।
मैम, आई हैव फर्स्ट दिस क्लास ज्वाइन। मैं ये किस स्टैंडर्ड की पढ़ाई हो रही है?
Students, wait. Students, please wait. This is a guest thing, okay? So you'll have an interactive class in this class, okay? There is a demo session going on, so not to worry. Yes, all of you.
Class third. I'm class fourth.
Yeah, I know. Please not to worry. Please not to worry. Ma'am will be taking just a demo session. Okay with it? Please will join with us.
Okay, ma'am.
And I request all of you to
Yes,
turn
ma'am.
off
Clear
your-
with it.
I request all of you to please turn on your audio and video both, so it will be more interactive. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Please turn on your video on audio.
Brilliant. That sounds good, you know. That really sounds good, because I would love to see you and do it together. But it's a song, you know, no matter which class you're in, you could be in year 4, you could be in year 6, but it's always a good idea to sing and have fun, isn't it? And isn't it always a good idea to smile, no matter which class you're in? So are you going to promise me today that no matter what, you will smile? Like you're going to put on a sunshine smile, okay? Doesn't matter which class you're in. Should we do this once more?
Okay, ma'am.
एक बार फिर से, और मुझे आपने सुनना है, क्योंकि सब कर सकते हैं. You know, there's a saying कि never say I can't. You should get Mr. Can't out of your life. Never say I can't do this and I can't do that. Say I can. I can do this. I can do that. I can do everything. जब आप अपने आप को बताओगे कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ और कर सकती हूँ, तो दुनिया की कोई ताकत आपको वो करने से रोक नहीं पाएगी. चलो, अब मुझे आपकी प्यारी मधुर आवाज सुननी है. क्या आप गाओगे? क्या सबने एक सनशाइन स्माइल पसंद किया है? चलो, ठीक है. लेट्स ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3 हम कोशिश करेंगे. मुझे सबकी आवाज आ रही है. Have you got a sunshine smile? 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 Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Hey, have you got a sunshine smile? Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show.
Whatever you may do, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine?
Have you got a sunshine smile? Wherever you may go, God's goodness you show. Have you got the sunshine smile? Yay! Very nice. I am going to stop sharing for a minute. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Did I stop sharing?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see me now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Brilliant. I somehow have lost something. Okay. Are you able, ma'am? Are you able to see my screen?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you able to
You, ma'am.
see me?
Actually, we are not able to see you.
They're not able to see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's because something has gone wrong here, and I can't see my own self here for some reason. Okay, bear with me. Let me see what has gone wrong here. It says update here, maybe a technical issue. But you can hear me. आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं, आप कह रहे हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
और देख भी सकते हो?
Yeah, ma'am, you are properly audible.
वेरी गुड।
Yes, ma'am.
पर मुझे ना somehow मुझे अपनी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है फिलहाल। नेवर माइंड, चलो अगर आप मुझे देख पा रहे हो और आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो, वंडरफुल। चलो यू नो व्हाट, एक छोटा सा गाना और करते हैं, बिकॉज आई रियली लव सिंगिंग एंड, और गाने से आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है, और जिस तरह आप गा पाएंगे उस तरह आप बोल भी पाएंगे, एक ऑडियंस को के साथ एंगेज कर पाएंगे। तो एक छोटा सा एक सॉन्ग है। सबसे पहले मुझे बताइए इसको क्या कहते हैं, बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट आवर बॉडी पार्ट्स, इसको क्या कहते हैं? ये क्या है? थम। क्या है ये?
Ma'am, ma'am, because your skin is, ma'am, your
Sorry, can you see?
ma'am, your camera is off.
My camera is off.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't, ma'am, I have no idea
Ma'am,
how
can
my
you please
camera
tell
got
them
off.
to speak one by one, ma'am? There is a lot of noise over here, ma'am.
Okay, I'm not very sure as to why my camera got off, but bear with me. I'm not, it's not supposed to be.
ये कौन सी क्लास है? Students, please don't worry about which class. I request you all to bear this just introductory section. Okay, you will be having an interactive session. Okay, not to worry about which class you belong to. What is yes,
Ma'am, can you kindly confirm, are you able to see me?
हाँ दिख गए.
दिख के?
No ma'am. No ma'am, we are not able to.
I don't know what.
Ma'am, just on your camera. Your camera is off.
I know, but I did not turn my camera off. That is what is surprising me, because मैंने अपना camera off नहीं किया हुआ, and I don't know how it just got off.
मैम एक्चुअली जब स्क्रीन शेयर करते हैं ना तो ऑटोमेटिकली ऑफ हो गया होगा. सो जस्ट सी कैमरा आइकॉन एंड जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट.
Bear with me. Can I rejoin if this is not working? This is quite okay.
Yeah, please,
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
rejoin,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It might be a
Okay.
technical glitch, ma'am.
It could be a technical issue, because I have worked on Teams before, and
Yeah, ma'am, you can rejoin, no problem.
I will just try. Thank you. Bear with me. Thank you. Okay. Can you see me now? You can see me now.
Yes.
Yes ma'am.
Sorry, beta. Sorry कि आप नहीं देख. There was some, and I'm sure the issue was from my end. So I apologize for that. चलो
Yeah,
ठीक
ma'am,
है.
you are
अच्छा,
visible clearly.
Thank you so much for the confirmation. अच्छा, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Thumbkin. क्या कहते हैं? Thumb कहते हैं, और thumbkin भी कह सकते हैं. Very good. Which finger is this? This is the pointer finger. Pointer finger?
Ma'am, this one is the finger.
Pointer, because we point with that. That's my car, that's my house, that's my sister. Pointer. Which finger is this? This is the, देखो ऐसे दिखाओ मुझे सब लोग ऐसे करके, tall man. This is the tall man, because this is the tallest finger that we have. Ah, what about this finger here? Ooh, this is the Ring man. Which man? Ring man. Because we wear a ring on that. And then this one is a pinky finger. It's the smallest finger called the pinky. Now you know, मुझे पता है कि कुछ बच्चे बड़े हैं, पर छोटे बच्चों के लिए खासकर कि ये एक अच्छी एक्सरसाइज होती है, whether you're able to point the finger and make it work the same time that you want to. Should we try? एक छोटा सा गाना है और उसमें हम अपनी बॉडी फिंगर्स को यूज करेंगे और this is how it goes. इसका नाम है Thumbkin He Can Sing, Thumbkin He Can Dance. ठीक है, चलो कोशिश करते हैं. Let me see whether everybody can do this. ठीक है, जिन्होंने कैमरा ऑन किया थैंक यू वेरी मच, जिन्होंने नहीं किया वो कर सकते हैं ताकि मैं देखूं आप क्या कर रहे हैं. ऐसे करें बेटा, ऐसे करेंगे तो हमारा थंबकिन सिंग करेगा, ऐसे करेगा तो थंबकिन डांस करेगा. कोशिश करें बेटा, कोशिश करें. चलो here we go.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you my darlings. Thumbkin he can sing, Thumbkin he can dance, Thumbkin he can sing, Thumbkin he can dance. They all go merrily up together, they all go merrily up together. They all clap their hands, they all clap their hands. Pointer he can sing, Pointer he can dance, Pointer he can sing, Pointer he can dance. They all go merrily up together, they all go merrily up together. They all clap their hands, they all clap their hands. Tall man he can sing, tall man karo up. Tall man he can sing, tall man he can dance, tall man he can sing, tall man he can dance. They all go merrily up together, they all go merrily up together. They all clap their hands, they all clap their hands. Ring man he can't sing, ring man he can't dance. Oh, ring man he can't sing, ring man he can't dance. They won't go merrily up together, they won't go merrily up together. They won't clap their hands, they won't clap their hands. But Pinky he can sing, Pinky he can dance, Pinky he can sing, Pinky he can dance. They all go merrily up together, they all go merrily up together. They all clap their hands, they all clap their hands, they all clap their hands. Yay! Now this was just a very popular song that we sing for early learning. So I know it might not have been very apt if you're older than the bracket that I thought I was going to teach, but that's all right. Chaliye, you've been a good listener so far. Well done to everybody. Should we go to a short story now? एक छोटी सी phonic story. Who knows what phonic means? Phonic का मतलब क्या होता है? Something that you are able to. Yeah. Phonic sounds. Sounds excellent. The way a word sounds. That's brilliant. That is very nice. ठीक है, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि आप क्या कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास एक पेपर है, पेंसिल है, तो जैसे मैं आपको ये स्टोरी सुनाऊं, आप कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Because drawing is a great technique. Making an illustration is a beautiful technique to aid your learning. कई बार क्या होता है कि हम बच्चों को बोले कि आप इस टॉपिक पर लिखिए, तो शुरू में बच्चे थोड़ा सा they could feel a little stuck up or they could have inhibitions. पर कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप शब्दों द्वारा ही कुछ लिखना शुरू करें. आप सोचें, आप ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, आप मुझे, because trust me, doing illustration is a fantastic technique in learning. It's a form of exhibition of your thought. आप एक्सप्रेस करेंगे कि आप क्या सोच रहे हैं. मैं आपको एक छोटी सी कहानी सुनाऊंगी. इसका नाम है The A Story. A Story. इसमें क्या होगा, इसमें बहुत से वर्ड्स होंगे जो कि A से शुरू होंगे. क्योंकि थोड़े बड़े बच्चे हैं तो आप मुझे बाद में बताना कि आपने कौन से वर्ड्स लिखे. Let me see whether you can write them down. or you can also draw. जो आपने words
Ma'am, because of some network issue, my class was disconnected. What we do now? What we doing?
Okay, I'm just about to start a short phonic story. I understand anybody can have network issues. We have them all the time. Not to worry.
Ma'am, we write a story.
No बेटा, here a story. मैं आपको एक छोटी सी स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी. आप क्या करेंगे, जैसे आप स्टोरी सुनेंगे आप ड्रॉ करेंगे कि इस कहानी में क्या क्या हो रहा है. Is that clear? So see, take a white
Okay,
piece of
ma'am.
paper, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, darling. उसके बाद आप उस पिक्चर को देखिएगा और देखिएगा कि अगर आप अपनी कहानी सुना पाए using that illustration. All right, I'll go slow, but I know some of you बच्चas are a little bigger than what I thought. All right, तो देखते हैं. This is
Ma'am, you tell us a story, then we take some words from story, and then we make our story.
You can draw it out, and then you can share your story. What did you draw? फिर मैं कोशिश करूंगी, मैं चाहूंगी जिस तरह मैं वो स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी using your own.
Ma'am, can you able to see me?
I can't. Now I can see you, darling. Yes, I can. So what I'm going to thank you, darling. What I'm going to thank you, Sparsh. मैं चाहूंगी कि क्या कोई बच्चा बाद में अपनी तरह से कहानी सुना पाएगा? Because every child is a story. ठीक है, तो आप ड्रॉ करना, जो मैं बोलूंगी उसे ड्रॉ करना, जो जितना कर सकते हैं. आपको कोई टेस्ट नहीं कर रहा. I don't want to put you on the spot. फिर मैं चाहूंगी क्या कोई ऐसा बच्चा है जो ये स्टोरी अपने वर्ड्स में सुनाए उस पिक्चर को देखते हुए. Is the instruction clear? सबको समझ में आया? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I am ready also, ma'am. डालें. Brilliant. चलो. और बाद में आप स्क्रीन शेयर करके अपनी ड्राइंग भी दिखा सकते हो. अगर टाइम मिला तो उसको कलर भी कर सकते हो, पर अगर कलर नहीं भी कर पाओ तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. सो आप सुनना कि इस स्टोरी में क्या क्या वर्ड्स आ रहा है. छोटी सी, बहुत छोटी कहानी है, 3 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगी. बट लेट्स सी whether anybody could take the charge of narrating in their own words. Here we go. This is the alphabet A story. Here we go. Andy the alligator. Andy the alligator lives under an apple tree. He loves the sweet apples. Every day he has those apples for breakfast. On the apple tree, an ant also lives. Zoo, zoo. The ant also loves the sweet apples. One day, 3 naughty animals. 3 naughty animals. A monkey, a giraffe, and a bear come towards the apple tree. They are carrying arrows and an axe. They are carrying an arrow and an axe. They want to cut the apple tree. Seeing that, Andy the alligator and the ant get angry. Just as the animals were about to cut the apple tree, the ant came down and started biting them. Zoo, zoo, zoo. And the alligator screamed at them. Ah, ah. The animals got scared and ran away, leaving behind their axe and arrows. And that's the end of the short A story, the alphabet A story. Wow. First of all, I want to thank you for being such a good listener. Now, How many of you, many of you can participate and tell me which words did you think of when you heard the story? Did anybody make a little mind map and write down the words that jumped out to you? किसने क्या क्या वर्ड्स लिखे और किसने क्या बनाने की कोशिश की, और क्या इस क्लास में कोई है जो कोशिश करे? ठीक है, मैं नहीं चाहती कि जो कोशिश करे इस कहानी को अपने वर्ड्स में सुनाने की। कौन करे? ओह, आई सी सम हैंड्स गो अप। दक्ष, हर्ष, अर्पण, बहुत लोगों ने। ठीक है, तो आप पहले तो अपनी स्क्रीन ऑन कीजिए, अपना कैमरा ऑन कीजिए। ठीक है, चलो, रिचा ने भी किया है। मैम आप चूज करें, अर्पण है, रिचा है।
Students, please turn on your video and show your work to your ma'am. Okay? Yeah. I'll call accordingly. Daksh, can you please show your? Yes. Daksh, please. Harsh. Yes. Moyuk, wait. Yeah. Turn on your video and show Moyuk.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आप एक बार फिर से repeat कर लेंगे?
हाँ, मैं फिर से सुना दूंगी। यस, ऑफ कोर्स, मैं फिर से सुना दूंगी। ठीक है, ये अच्छा बोला, मैं फिर से सुना दूंगी। I will repeat. Yes. So hear me out. I'm going to repeat this.
Yeah,
ठीक है, फिर
students,
मैं देखती
wait.
हूँ कौन से बच्चे अपने वर्ड्स में सुना पाएंगे। तो सुनना और ड्रॉ करना और कोशिश करना कि अपने वर्ड्स में सुना। ठीक है, दी ए स्टोरी। ए सेज ए। जो भी वर्ड्स ए से शुरू होते हैं तो ए फोनिक स्टोरी है। ए सेज ए। ए सेज ए। A says apple. A says alligator. A says angry. A says axe. A says arrows. हमने इस कहानी में सारे वर्ड्स डाले। ठीक है, इसलिए बन गई ए स्टोरी। ए शॉर्ट फोनिक स्टोरी। मैं फिर से सुनाऊंगी और आप कोशिश कीजिएगा उसको, इस कहानी को पिक्चर में कन्वर्ट करने की। Because remember, every picture has a story. हाँ जी बेटा, चलो मैं सुनाऊं फिर से, एक बार फिर से सुनाती हूँ। ठीक है? हाँ जी बेटा जी। हाँ जी बेटा, क्या कह रहे थे आप?
मैम एक्चुअली मैं पिक्चर नहीं बना पाऊंगी।
अच्छा, नहीं, आप मेरा बच्चा कोशिश कीजिए ना। आप देखो, मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा था ना कि कुछ नहीं, ऐसे नहीं कहते कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, क्योंकि आपको दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप कोशिश करें बस। ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं भी ड्रॉ कर पाती हूँ बहुत कुछ, अच्छा ऐसा नहीं है, पर हम कोशिश करते हैं। एक एप्पल ट्री तो बना पाओगे, एक ट्री बनाइएगा, उसके ऊपर एप्पल बना दें, फिर एक ऐसे करके एलिगेटर बना दें, एक ऐसे करके उसका मुंह ऐसे करके, उसकी बॉडी ऐसे करके, नीचे एक छोटा सा पॉन्ड बना दें, एलिगेटर बना दें, एक एंट भी बना दें, फिर 3, अगर आप एनिमल्स नहीं भी बना पा रहे तो आप लिख सकते हो, एक स्टिक फिगर बना रख सकते हो। और कौन से एनिमल्स आए थे? मंकी, जिराफ और बेयर। कोशिश करना है, ठीक है? सब बच्चे सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है मेरे प्यारे बच्चे, ठीक है? कभी नहीं बोलना कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकती या नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, चलो कोशिश करते हैं। फिर hear me out now, okay? Andy the alligator lives under an apple tree. Apple tree. He loves the apples from the tree. Every day he eats apples from the apple tree. And zoo, zoo, an ant also lives on the apple tree. She also likes the sweet smell of the apples. One day, 3 naughty animals. 3 naughty animals. A monkey, a giraffe, and a bear come towards the apple tree. They bring with them an arrow, and an axe. They want to cut the apple tree. And the alligator and the ant gets angry. Just as they were about to cut the tree, the ant came down and started biting on them. Zoo, zoo. The alligator screamed at them. Ah, ah. The animals got scared and ran away, leaving behind the axe and the arrow. And in this way, Andy the alligator and the ant were able to protect their apple tree. And that's the end of the story. Did you like the story? Did you understand the story? It was a short story, पर हम छोटी स्टोरी ही शुरू करते हैं. क्या आप स्टोरी सुनकर उसको ग्रास्प कर पाते हो, उसको अंडरस्टैंड कर पाते हो, और फिर अपने ही वर्ड्स में, और जब आप अपने वर्ड्स में सुनाएंगे तो कोई आपको टेस्ट नहीं करेगा, कोई नहीं कहेगा कि अरे ये गलत है, अरे ये पहले आना था. ऐसा नहीं है. जैसे आप सुनाएंगे वैसी स्टोरी होगी, क्योंकि वो आपकी स्टोरी है. You can even add a few more words or not use some of the words used. Now, is there a risk taker? Is there somebody who's willing to share? I see some hands go up. Kaun share karega?
Yes, Richa, you can show your work, Richa. Please show your work, Richa.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Moyuk.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Today,
Yes.
animals are the names of the 3 animals. What?
Yes, बेटा.
Ma'am.
हाँ जी, मैं बोलिए बेटा, सुनाए आप.
Ma'am, वो 3 animals का नाम क्या था?
एक मंकी था, उनका एक मंकी था, एक जिराफ था और एक बेयर था, भालू.
कौन-कौन से, एक बार फिर से आप रिपीट कर दीजिए.
हाँ जी, मैं फिर से रिपीट करूंगी. मंकी था, मंकी, जिराफ, with the long neck giraffe, और भालू, बेयर. ठीक है. और किसी को अगर टाइम चाहिए तो आप ले सकते हो, मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. ठीक है. हाँ, ले लो, टाइम ले लो. उतनी देर में कोई रेडी है तो एक जना तो सुना सकते हैं, एक या 2 जने सुना सकते हैं. कौन रेडी?
Richa, can you show, dear? Please show your work.
मैं मंकी कैसा बना सकती हूँ क्या?
Richa, unmute and show your work, Richa. Okay. Arpan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please show your work, dear.
Or even if you don't want to share your work, I'm okay with that because I don't want to put you on the spot. आप मुझे सुनाएं, आप क्या रिकॉल कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी. हम आपको कोई टेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. जो भी आप अपनी कहानी सुनाएं, छोटी सी, ज्यादा नहीं. कैसे सुनाएंगे बताइए.
Arpan is showing, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I see that? Ma'am, same to same.
Wow.
Ma'am, can I rerun?
Sorry guys, there's something wrong with my setting that I am not able to see everybody. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Ma'am, Arpan is showing his work. You can
Brilliant. Yes, thank you.
Yes, Adya. Yes, Adya, show your video.
Lovely.
मैं ऐसा बना पाई हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत ही अच्छा. अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. Very nice. अच्छा, सुनाएगा कौन मुझे कहानी अब, ये बताओ.
Can I?
हाँ, एक जन. अरे वाह, इतना सुंदर. अरे वाह, आद्या श्रीवास्तव. Very nice. इसको बाद में कलर भी कर लेंगे. Very good. I love everybody's work.
Aradhya is also showing.
Aradhya, thank you, Aradhya, thank you, darling. Wow, beautiful.
मैंने बियर 8 से बनाया है.
हाँ बहुत अच्छा, जैसे मर्जी बनाओ, आपका बेयर है, आपको जैसे बनाना है बनाइए, पर आपने बनाया तो सी कितना अच्छा। कहानी कौन सुनाएगा जल्दी से? एक जना कोई कहानी सुना दो मुझे, क्योंकि वो सबके लिए रिव्यू हो जाएगा, रिकैप हो जाएगा। कोई है? और वी नॉट, डोंट गेट स्ट्रेस्ड, हम आपको कोई टेस्ट नहीं कर रहा, हम सब ऐसे ही सीखते हैं। कोई बच्चा है जो कहानी सुनाएगा? यही कहानी सुनाइए अपने वर्ड्स में।
मैम कैन आई?
Yes, beta, please, of course, you may. Go ahead, darling.
Ma'am, once upon a time there was an apple tree, ma'am, which in the tree there live 4 animals: monkey, giraffe, bear, and a crocodile. And one day an ant came to the tree and said to all the 4 animals that, can I also live here and eat the apples? All the 4 animals said, no, you can't. This tree our own property. They said like this that the ant got hurt. So the ant and his whole team decide to teach a lesson to the 4 animals. So what they do is they just come one day and bite all the 4 animals and said, now you get hurt now, like that when you said to me that this trees are my own property, I also get hurt, so please now allow me to live here. So all the 4 animals said, we got our lesson, you can of course live here.
Whoa, outstanding, outstanding, lovely. You're quite a star. I love the way that Arpan had a nice twist and his own story in no time. Awesome. You're quite a fascinating storyteller. Well done.
Ma'am, Harsh wants to come forward. So Harsh,
Please,
can you
please.
please turn on your
Wow.
audio and video and show, ma'am? Please show.
I
ma'am.
love this.
Harsh.
Congratulations.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
please
there
show.
was once near a pond, and ma'am, there lived an alligator and an ant, and they were friends. One, a giraffe, a monkey, and a bear. Three of them came near the apple tree with an axe and an arrow. They did not want that tree, so they wanted to cut that tree so that they can get the wood and have fun with it and have a bonfire on the New Year party. But the alligator and the ant didn't like that because they loved the apple tree. And so what they did, the ant came down off the tree and bit everybody, and they got very, very hurt. They were crying. And then the alligator also screamed at them. And when it was about to attack them, they all ran away. And they also forgot their arrows and axes.
Awesome! Oh my God! You were brilliant, Harsh Chaturvedi. You are quite a storyteller. Yay! I am so pleased with your skill of narrating so beautifully, so flawlessly. And I love the confidence that Harsh had. I love the confidence that Arpan had. You know, when you are narrating your story, it's your story, your original story. I think I'm supremely impressed with the lovely skill that most of you had. Well done. Now I'd like to say that try this. For those of you, thank you, Aditi. Thank you, darling. Well done, Adya. Try to finish your painting, try to color it, and then using that illustration, share that story with the world. Yes, beta?
Ma'am,
Hanji, beta. Hanji, beta.
Yes, Moyu. Yes, Moyu. Please tell.
once upon a time, a crocodile lived under an apple tree. Crocodile eat the apples. One day, a bear, a monkey, and a giraffe came with the axe and cut the tree
And wanted to kill.
and wanted to. The crocodile
stalks stem and the ant bite the three animals. The animals are going away.
Yay! They went away. Oh, well done. Well done, Mr. Banerjee. Well done. You are so good.
Daivik, you and Aradhya also move forward.
Hanji beta. Yes, sweetheart. Hanji beta ji. Arre, look at you. Oh my God, look at the alligator. And oh my God. You are an artist. Arre वाह, इतनी सुंदर पेंटिंग तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखी. You are an artist. इसको ना अच्छे से कलर करना, इसके ऊपर लिखना The A Story और इसको फ्रेम कर देना और इसके ऊपर आज अपना नाम भी लिख लेना और डेट भी लिखना. फिर ये आप दिखाना, देखो ये है मेरी ए स्टोरी और सबके साथ शेयर करना.
मैंने ड्राइंग बनाई है पर मुझे जिराफ और हाथी बनाने आते हैं.
वाह, so good, awesome. कितना सुंदर काम किया आपने. अरे वाह, इतना प्यारा. अरे इतना अच्छा जिराफ और कितना सुंदर एप्पल ट्री.
Ma'am, Aradhya also want to share something. Aradhya, please share.
Aradhya, please share, beta. Oh my God, you guys are so talented.
Yes, Daivik, you can. Daivik, please tell you.
Ma'am, there was 5 animals: tiger, lion, and zebra, and crocodile and snake. They all were best friends. One day they was very hungry, and they got a mango tree. So all said, we want to take some mango. So one giraffe came. Hey, can I help you? So all animals said, yeah, why not? We don't have that much fight. So the giraffe helped them and they all share and eat it. Then they became best friends and all the time. One day the lion anger because he did not. So all said, wow, how we can get your food. So the tiger was so angry, but birthday were, that's why they give gift.
Yay! Did you? Wow! Well done. I am so pleased with your sharing.
Aradhya,
Awesome.
you can start now. Aradhya?
Ma'am,
Yes.
once upon a time, an alligator and an ant lived near an apple tree. The alligator lived near in the pond near it, and the ant lived on the tree. They both loved eating apples and didn't want to share. One day, the giraffe, bear, and the monkey came, and they came with axes and arrows. Both the animals thought that they were here to cut the tree and attack them, and they stopped them. The ant was almost going to bite them, and the alligator was almost about to eat them. But suddenly they started crying and said, "Why don't you want to say? We are just here to take some apples because we are hungry." The animals thought about it, and they came up to a conclusion that every day they will give half of the apples on the tree to them, and half of them they will keep. And this is how they said it and never fought again.
Wow, amazing. I love the happy ending. And you got a different conclusion. You were able to carve a new conclusion for the story. Aradhya, brilliant. Brilliant narration. I loved your story. Boys and girls, I have been really impressed. देखो अलग version सुना and beautiful. Well done, Aradhya. Very proud of you. I loved your story. Awesome.
Ma'am, story.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Go ahead.
I tell Daksha.
Yes, Daksh, tell me. You can.
There were an apple tree and alligator and ant. The ant and alligator were fond of the apple. The ant was greedy. He wanted to occupy that tree and not wanted to give one apple also to alligator. Then one day, one mouse came. Then he ate all apples. The alligator and ant were there only. They gone there to beat him until there. That alligator by mistakenly stepped his foot on the ant, and that ant from his greedy he was died, man.
But you had a good quiz. Yay! I loved your confidence.
मैम
Well
मैं एक बार
done.
सुनाऊं?
हाँ जी सुना दाक्ष बहुत अच्छा सुनाया आपने. I loved your confidence और आपने भी कहानी में एक नया ट्विस्ट लेकर आए. I love the way आपने कहा. हाँ जी बेटा आप बिल्कुल सुना सकते हैं. मैं जरा दाक्ष की थोड़ी तारीफ कर दूं 1 मिनट. दाक्ष आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. Look at your confidence. I love the way that you allowed your mind to think beyond, because remember our mind is like the sky. You can paint it with any picture. So well done for twisting the conclusion of the story. Awesome. Thank you for waiting, Abe. Did you want to say something, Abe?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, darling.
Near a river, one apple tree. Alligator come daily from apple tree and eat 5 apples. One day, giraffe, bear, and monkey came to the apple tree. Though they are very hungry, eat all the apples on tree. Alligator come and give and very angry. Who eat my apples? I can kill them. And then, ma'am, then giraffe and monkey
Abhay, you have muted yourself, dear. Please unmute. Unmute, Abhay. Please unmute. Abhay Kumar, please unmute yourself, dear. Abhay?
Maybe there was a technical issue.
Yeah.
अभी अगर गलती से आप म्यूट हो गए हैं तो अनम्यूट कर लें बेटा. कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे कई बार होता है. टेक्निकल इश्यूज तो हम सबके साथ होते हैं. कई बार हम पढ़ा रहे होते हैं और लगता है कि हमको सुना जा रहा है पर म्यूट हो जाता है. अबे आप हैं क्या बेटा? आप बहुत अच्छी कहानी सुना रहे थे अबे. Really very impressed, supremely impressed. अबे, do you want to finish your story? और अगर नहीं भी अगर कोई टेक्निकल इशू है तो कोई बात नहीं. आपने बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की. बहुत सुंदर कोशिश. Wow. Ma'am, I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the way that children came forward to share, which is fantastic because this is interactive learning, and it's lovely that you are kind of building up with your confidence to share. Trust me, it's not easy to say that, all right, I'm okay to share. So thank you very much for being a brilliant audience, for being wonderful listeners, and thank you for your lovely stories. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. हाँ जी बेटा, of course you can.
Ma'am, there was a friends who one giraffe and ants and bear were friends and monkey and alligator was friends. So the giraffe, ants and bear was living near one apple tree, so every day they comes and they eats the apples. But one day the monkey saw them and they told to alligator, and they both friends went and they told, from today we will not come here. We want all the apples. We will not give you. So they fighted with them and they told, we will not give you. We can divide it in equal parts. If you want, so then eat. If you don't want, so then we will fight with you and we will remove you from this jungle. So that bear told, but they do not. They told that we will take this all the apples today. So tomorrow they came with axe and arrows and they started fighting with them. But the bear jumped in the river and he hit the alligator, and giraffe and ants hit the monkey, and then they both went like they crying. They cried and they both went, but the giraffe and ant and bear told, "Don't go. We will give you apples now also. If you want in equal divide, we will divide it in equal parts. If you want, so then come." So they told that, really, we will accept this. And from then they all become friends and they every day comes and eat the apples.
Every day came and wow, excellent, Atish, excellent. Look at you. I love the way he had so much of confidence and he had so much of clarity in his speech. Well done. Amazing story. You guys are really good. This is the takeaway that I can leave you with. Remember, you guys are, every child is a storyteller. Everybody. हर बच्चा एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्टोरी टेलर है क्योंकि वो स्टोरीज हमारे जहन में है, हमारे अंदर है, and it's lovely that you work on the skill of sharing. I love the session. Ma'am, I want to say a very big thank you to all the wonderful children for being such great listeners and for going ahead. I loved everybody's stories. I loved the way that you had the confidence in you. I love the way that you did your illustrations and you were very forthcoming. I love the fancy conclusions, the way you were able to weave your own story. बहुत से बच्चों ने तो अपनी खुद एक कहानी बनाई, एक twist लाए, and that is the most beautiful part when you're extending your thinking and you're going over and beyond the story that I share. You went and made your own. So a big congratulations to everybody. All right. So could we end the lesson there now, Subarna ma'am? What do you say?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So thank you, everybody. I'm really grateful for your time, and you guys are wonderful learners. Keep up the good job, good work. Everybody pat your bag. सब लोग अपनी पीठ ऐसे थपकी दें. Everybody pat your bag and say good job done. क्या बोलोगे अपने आप को? Good job done. I think you did a brilliant job. So thank you for your time and keep learning, keep listening to stories, and keep carving your own stories. Thank you, ma'am, for having me.
Thank you to you also, ma'am, for joining our class and giving a guest lecture.
Thank you for giving your time.
My pleasure.
Sir?
Thank you. Thank you. My pleasure. Bye, bye, beta. Bye. God bless you. Stay safe. Bye, sweetheart. You guys, everybody. आप सब बहुत अच्छे हो. कितनी अच्छी कहानी सुना पाते हो, लिख पाते हो, बोल पाते हो, draw कर पाते हो. You've got a lot of talent in you. So well done. God bless you. Okay. Thank you. Take care, darlings. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Sudha. Bye, Adarsh. Bye, Adarsh. Bye, Aditya. Bye, Aman. Bye, Anushri.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.